What's up guys, Manny here. So today I'm gonna go for a little bike ride. I'm gonna mount my GoPro to my bike around the city that I live at. I'll show you guys a little bit about the area. I'm probably gonna head over to Joyful on my bike. That's my goal today. Go there, get a bottle of water, and come back. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm excited for my morning ride. I can't wait. This thing is dirty. Don't ever touch these things. So while the elevator's going down, I'm gonna show you guys my bike. Got a little Cannondale Police Edition bike. It's pretty sweet. It does the job. So, and I got the GoPro mounted on the top, so I can get some sweet video footage. Hopefully it's pretty outside. We'll see. I had to make a quick pit stop because I had to put my gloves on. Oh, and by the way, yes, we do have Domino's in Japan. This is one of the most important things. You always got to stop at the crosswalks. They're very strict out here in Japan, so just be aware if you ever come out here. Another thing is I'm on the side where the bikes can go, as you can see on the bottom, and the cars are very freaking close. And what do you freaking know? Another stop. This is also a common thing to dodge cars sticking out like that. Right here, I had to slow it down because I wanted to show you guys the most amazing car is this nice old Datsun. I freaking love this car. It was super nice. So I had to show you guys in slow-mo. Yay! I made it! There's Joyful Honda right there. So Toys R Us is back here behind me, and Joyful Honda's there, and they're freaking close, so it sucks. I'm gonna have to find another vending machine. Good thing I'm in Japan and there's a ton of vending machines everywhere here, so I'm gonna go do that here in a second. I just gotta catch my breath a little bit. There's probably vending machines over there on that side. Not probably, there is. But yeah, so I'll get back with it. Konnichiwa. All right, let's keep going. You might not believe me, but I spotted the vending machine from here. Alright guys, stopped for some water here at the little vending machine, and I met Aishi here. He's one of the mechanics here at the shop close to the base that I work at, and he's working on this nice big truck. It's a Nissan. I love Nissans. It's really cool. I'm just taking a little break. It's a mechanic's dream in here. They've got all kinds of equipment and stuff. It's pretty cool. Alright, now we've got to continue the journey back. It's gonna take forever. In Japan, it's a common courtesy to stay on the left-hand side so you can give room to the other bikers, just like what's about to happen. And there she is again. What a beautiful Datsun. I think I'm gonna buy one before I leave Japan, honestly. I made a split-second decision that I was gonna go right because I wanted to explore a little more. The camera doesn't do it justice. The skies are beautiful blue. What's up guys? So ended up in this little like vegetation area, like this little plantation style. It's behind where I live. It's I don't know, about a mile away from where I live, or 2 miles away from where I live. It's not too far. I just always was curious to come over here and check it out, but I don't know what that sign says because it's in Japanese and I don't want to trespass, so I'm still on the main asphalt part of the road, just kind of looking in. I want to go in there, but I'm not invited. Oh, I don't know if I'm invited, honestly. Yeah, I'm gonna keep moving. I stopped because I wanted to get off the rocky sidewalk so I could get on the main asphalt to get better footage. So I waited for this car to pass by to get over. Another common thing that you see in Japan is people in suits biking to work. Yay, I'm home. That was a fun ride. Let me get inside. See you guys in a second. What's up, guys? Manny here. And yeah, so that was my morning bike ride. Did a couple miles, nothing crazy. Unfortunately, Joe Ford Honda wasn't open, so it's just one of those things. It happens. It's really early, 6:30 in the morning, and I just got back. So I'm sure they open like at 9 or something like that. It completely slipped my mind. I just wanted to go for a run, sweat a little bit, you know, get the heart pumping. It's healthy, you know, and I gotta stay fit. I'm already a little chubby. That's personal. Anywho, hit that like button, subscribe, and throw a comment down there. See what you guys liked about this video. It's pretty cool to see the cars and all the other stuff around me trying to dodge and stuff like that. It's a fun ride. I've never done it before. So yeah, that's that. That's all I got for you guys today. And I'll see you guys next time.